chilling on August 27th, Hurricane Irene. You can see Big Russ behind. That's not so big here. Quit throwing up all these gang signs. We're gonna get kicked off YouTube.
I'm not all the teachers.
Russ, say what up to all your fans.
Big Russ, fuck you. Oh God, you already do.
You can't say fuck you. Fans?
They can bleep it out later.
They can. Yo, peep the water by ShopRite by the doors. It's filling up. This shit is crazy.
Mother
This shit is crazy. Look at all this water.
Yo, they're not even underwater yet.
Russ, explain to us. Elaborate.
Maybe you can go fuck yourself. They can bleep that one too.
That doesn't make any sense. Alright, we gotta get a load. Gina, the lady of the house. Are you in on this? Let's go chat with Gina.
Yo, this is like some Titanic shit.
Gina.
Yo, get the violin, yo.
Gina.
That's the video right there.
Russ is the main character.
Hurricane, add it to the water.
Hurricane Katrina too. Yo, Russ, grab that fucking hole and put it right through that fucking hole, cause you ain't walking this shit right there. Ain't that hole down there.
I was in the middle earlier, but it wasn't as high. Mad water. Say what's up, G.
Yeah. Grab my nuts on camera, you hear me?
Fucking wet and shit.
Oh,
Can't find my
jeez,
fucking
man.
pain. My back is killing me. Come on, Irene. Oh, let's see what you mean. Come on.
I did not expect this. I woke up to no rain. I was like, oh, it's a beautiful day. You woke outside, what the fuck? No, I'm not good. No, that's not where you get down. Let's see how far it was on.
Nah, chill, don't do that, man. Why not with sheetrock? Why you throwing sheetrock in the water? You see the shit he does over here?
Oh, you was setting up, nigga. You was setting up, nigga, son. You the nigga to rob the bank and leave your homies there at the crime.
Yo, we needed that sheetrock to sit on. What the fuck is you doing?
Too bad.
Speak again, nigga.
What you want to go get?
Why you recording me, man? I ain't
Why
got
are you
issues. I've been
recording?
smoking chronic and weed all day, nigga. Chronic and weed is the same thing.
At least tomato plants survived.
Yo, I'm rolling.
See this? You go this way, it's water. You go that way, it's water. You go back there, it's water. I am going fucking nuts.
Well, if you go this way, it's not water.
Going to basin is water.
Yeah, but because I didn't.
What if the water has water on top of the water?